So I finally finished my 2 giant bags of Huel Black, and I wanted to share my honest review of it. Was it good? Do I like it more than my normal protein powder? Did it make me poop my pants like so many people experience on Reddit? Here is my honest review. So what is Huel? Huel is advertised as a complete vegan meal replacement with solid macros and vitamins and an easy shake. I'm not vegan, but I bought it because Huel Black was recommended from a friend, and he's not a vegan either, but he said they were super delicious and it was a good meal replacement for him while he was in school. Compared to normal Huel, the Black Edition has 50% less carbs, 33% more protein, no artificial sweeteners, and is gluten-free if you care about that. I don't personally, but I checked out the website and looked at the price point, and they have solid macros coming in about 400 calories with 18 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fiber, and 40 grams of protein for every 2 scoops of powder. So very protein heavy, which is a great way to end my day with one of these shakes. They also add a ton of vitamins and minerals in the mix in the shake too. I googled a lot of the ingredients in there, and most of them are vitamins, so I wouldn't be too off put by the big words on the nutrition labels, which I usually read. It's about $3 per serving, so it is a really good deal. Since my usual smoothies I usually make with protein powder, a serving or more of spinach, whole milk, some fruit, some peanut butter. My smoothies probably come out to about the same price as just a normal Huel shake. Maybe even a little bit more, but who knows. So in terms of nutrition and the price for what you get for about $3 a serving for Huel Black, it gets my approval so far. If you do order Huel for the first time, you do get a nice shaker and a free t-shirt. Definitely order a size up because mine was super small, or I'm in denial I can't fit it in mediums anymore. I think it's probably that second one actually. Guys, I know Huel is supposed to be a vegan company, but it tastes so good with whole milk. Oh my gosh, we got the salted caramel. Mess as usual. Guys, this whole thing is like 600-700 calories, which is amazing for bulking, especially when you put whole milk in it. And if you haven't had the texture before, it's a little grainier than you might expect, but it's still pretty good. So I got the strawberry flavor and the salted caramel flavor, and the strawberry one is just as good as the salted caramel. I mean, they're fine with just water, but like when you put some whole milk in them, they're really delicious, really whole smoothies. They taste like healthy milkshakes. Both flavors were incredible, honestly, with the whole milk. Now the texture is interesting. They have like this like very lumpy texture, and it's like kind of grainy. It's not so smooth like the ones I just make at home, so it is something to keep an eye out for so you're not off put. I haven't tried any other flavors, so I can only comment on the strawberry and the salted caramel. Now I would usually drink one of these after dinner when I was bulking a little harder to get my last extra bit of calories in for the day when I was bulking. I generally like smoothies at the end of the day because I can hit my caloric needs without feeling super full before bed and then having trouble sleeping. Now I should preface this, I don't think Huel should be your actual meal. 400 calories in your meal, that's not really enough to grow if all your meals are 400 calories. Even with snacks, you won't be breaking 1800 calories per day, and I'm assuming if you are watching my channel, you want to build muscle. So 400 calories is just simply not going to cut it for most people. Maybe as an extra meal for more calories, but not as a meal replacement. When I was lazy with cooking, I did make Huel my meal, but I put in so much whole milk, like I said, banana, peanut butter, spinach, and then that came around to be about 800 calories for the meal. Now, in terms of Huel being a digestion wrecker like you see online, luckily that 8 grams of extra fiber did not really make me poop my pants, but if you do go on Reddit, there are many funny stories of people ripping these things apart. It's pretty funny. You guys should just go read. But guys, if this is hurting your stomach, please eat more fiber in your daily intake. 8 extra grams should not be a detriment to your stomach. If you're eating real food, it really should not bother you. So would I recommend Huel Black? Kind of, it depends. It's yummy, not too expensive, could replace a meal if you need it to, so there's all positives. I wouldn't count on staying full from it like an actual meal though, because it is liquid and it's just not as satisfying, but it has solid nutrition, tastes awesome with some milk. However, I would recommend eating actual food you cooked instead of relying on a powder in a bag to fuel your body most days. I do understand not every day goes according to schedule, and sometimes it is more hectic, so these are like a good thing to have as a backup on those busy days you don't want to cook. But I wouldn't make this a lifestyle choice to replace all your meals where you're never cooking.
So am I going to buy some more? Not right now. I have a giant thing of protein powder I'm still working on. But maybe around the holidays, if it's on sale, I'll buy myself 2 more bags of Huel just to have as a backup for those busy days when I'm tired and I don't want to cook, and I'm tired of my protein powder, and then I just want something quick and easy to make, and that can suffice for a dinner. There are really only 3 supplements that you need that I outlined in a short here, so make sure to check out that quick video, and then try some Huel, don't poop your pants, and peace.